Hi, I bought this Z9s selfie stick online for around $10. I will be showing its features. So this one comes with a charging cable and the selfie stick. This part moves so you can adjust your phone position, and this knob helps to tighten or loosen this part. On top is the LED light. At the back is the button. If you press it once, it turns as a white light, and if you press it again, it becomes yellow light, and if you press it again, it goes back to white light. And if you press this button and hold it for a few seconds, the light turns off. On top of the LED light is the charging port, where you can use this charging cable and your charger to charge this LED light. Then we have these two clips to hold your phone. You can push this clip downwards to adjust the depth of your phone. This bracket holds the phone tight enough so it won't drop the phone. I will pull the top part by holding the base to take out the extension rod. The rod length from phone camera to the handle is approximately 3 feet, that is 36 inches. So this rod comes with the 7 extension parts. At the bottom you can open up these 3 leaves to make it as a stand. You can adjust the length of the rod as per your requirement. I will just close the extension rod now. You can also adjust your phone angle. You can do it upward or downward. You can also rotate your phone in whichever direction you want. Here is the button which you will press to take the selfie. This button will be connected with your phone by using the Bluetooth. You can also remove this button and hold it in your hand while taking selfies. At the back of this device is the battery compartment. You can open and replace battery if it is required. So far this selfie stick looks good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.